สวัสดีค่ะ
Alright guys, welcome to another video. Down Pattaya Beach, walkway at night on the boulevard. Let's see what we can find here tonight. It's about 27 degrees, beautiful evening. A few people out and about, enjoying themselves, having a good night. Good night for a walk. There's a few people out enjoying this beautiful weather. Look, he's got a Woolies trolley, this dude. Where'd he score that from? Playing some music there. It's only about, what, 9 o'clock at night now, so it's still very early. So there seems to be a few people out. If you're new to the channel, thanks for coming along and enjoying this walk with me. If you like what you see, you like the videos, please hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and even a comment, because you know how much it helps. Helps the channel out immensely by you guys, just by you guys doing that. And it doesn't cost anything, it's all free. So I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for your help, guys. Alright, now we are basically just walking past Central Pattaya now, where the shopping centre mall is. It's about halfway down, I suppose, the main beach road. Beautiful night for a walk along Pattaya Beach. Good night for a walk. Anyone noticing the great cityscape in the background of Pattaya? Pattaya, however you say it. Beautiful, isn't it? Good place to come, boys and girls. And families. There's things to do for families here also. Not just for the young fellas or the oldies. It's a good mix. Plenty to do for everyone. Now just up here on the left, this beach, they usually, I think it's on the weekends only, maybe Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they have a big stage set up, concert. Something's always going on here. It's a good area. Everyone comes down here, That's a good time. But there's nothing here tonight, so, and what is it today? Monday night, so not much happening. Just people enjoying themselves. Oh, it's a beautiful night. Oh, careful, mate. So here, all the families playing on the sand. It's about 9 o'clock at night. Not a worry in the world. All having a good time. That's why I love this country so much, people, because it's just such a friendly atmosphere. Everyone's always really nice. There's no trouble. As long as you're not a dickhead. If you're a dickhead, you're going to be in trouble, mate. So it's your own fault, but everyone's respectful. The food's brilliant. And pricing's pretty cheap. And let me know in the comments too, guys, if you think of an area you'd like me to walk down. It doesn't have to be in Pattaya. It can be in any part of Thailand that I know that I'm going to. And then if I am going there, I'll try and make an effort to take a walk down those streets that you'd like me to do. Alright, where are we coming up to now? Nearly at the Twin Palms Resort on the right hand side. Most people are just chilling now, having an early night. Sweaty cup. Oh God, I was just offered some services then. I'll pass on that, thank you. Welcome to Pattaya. Funny. That band you can hear is at the Hard Rock Cafe. They're belting out tunes every night. So if you're staying in that hotel or next door to that hotel, you can hear it pumping every night. I mean, it finishes about 11, I think, so it's not too bad. But, you know. Thai families there and drinking a few beers, enjoying the company, each other's company. Fantastic. Geez, they love Oasis here, that band, that Pommy band. Always have live bands singing Oasis songs here. They're pretty good. Don't mind them. Noel and Liam Gallagher. I think one of them went off. He's a rocker a bit, didn't he? Liam, I think, was the one that was a bit of a nutter. Get in front of these boys on the outside. Alright, where are we now? Outside Hotel Tropicana, where that sort of little market is, where you can have food and drinks over there. As you can see, nice little chill out sort of zone, I suppose. So just over halfway down Beach Road, really. A little bit quiet down this end. No, it looks like it's coming to a bit of a busy bit up here, further on, I would say. Moon Talay Thai restaurant and seafood. Never eaten there. Don't know what that's like. A few people over at that one. That's the one I was at the other night, where the service was crap, man. It took like 45 minutes to an hour to get me dinner. And there was only about 4 people in the restaurant. I understand if it's busy, but it wasn't even busy, man. Food was alright. Nice leisurely stroll along the promenade of Pattaya Beach. Just passing Soy 6. Not going down there tonight, guys. Got to behave myself. Dangerous street, that one. Long nights ahead there if you're going down there. Yeah, not even looking. Too tempted to go down there again. Boys are out for a big night. Yep, they are. Alrighty. Well, I think that's about it. Yeah, I might leave it here, boys and girls. Thank you for watching. Greatly appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed what you saw. And you want to see more videos of me walking down streets in Thailand. Hit the subscribe button, click the like button, leave a comment. It all helps. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching.